My dad really wanted to be able to cut thin lettuce on for his tacos, and so he decided that he wanted me to find something that would do that for him. I found a cabbage grater, which it got it on Amazon, and I'm not sure if this is going to work or not, but we're going to try it out and see. So basically what it is, it looks like a chopping board, and it has a really sharp blade on it. Looks like a little guillotine blade, and there's a whole bunch of warnings. There's a warning sticker on it. People on Amazon have said, hey, keep your fingers away from it. You'll cut yourself. And there's little cartoons that are on here as well, basically telling you do not do your finger on here because you'll cut it, and there's like little squirts of blood on there and stuff. And then this one here says don't watch TV while you're doing it because you'll cut yourself. So there's a lot of warnings on here. So basically you need to be careful. So I bought some protective gloves. I'll try those out later, but I just want to see how it goes without using gloves. So this little plastic protector is what you slide across here, and it has little spikes on here which are supposed to go into your vegetable that you're slicing, and you basically just slide it across and see how that works. Now I'm trying to get those really thin slices of lettuce like they do at I don't know, like Del Taco or Taco Bell, how they have those real thin sliced lettuce, and they're really fine. And wow, this is super fine. Okay, so it cut it really fine. So if you look at that, that is super fine. It's not exactly what we were looking at, but it's really thin. It's kind of like the stuff that you get on sandwiches when you're doing when you order a sandwich at a sandwich shop. So that's kind of similar. So that's a lot from just a little bit of slicing there. I also told my dad I would try to see how it works with a tomato as well. So I want to see if it will cut a tomato and how it does on that. And again, I'm watching to make sure I don't cut my fingers. I'm pushing down a little bit, and it is cutting. Okay, so you can see it's catching on the blade a little bit, but it is cutting super thin. These are like see-through slices. That's how thin it is, really thin. So I don't think that's going to work on the tomato, but let's see how it does on an onion. Okay, so we'll try again on onion, and it does the cutting. Now the onion, whoa, okay. Now that's nice. That's like sandwich onions again, like really thin, paper thin little slices. That is nice. I like that. But I'll have to try it out and see how it is, but I'm sure it should be good. But those are kind of like sandwich onions is the way it cut. So I think it does a really good job. Just need to make sure that we don't cut any fingers and have to be safe on it. Doesn't work on tomatoes, but as far as onions go and lettuce, I like it. And it'll be really good on sandwiches. And I'm sure it'll work for tacos too. Anyway, I hope you like it. And if you do, give me a like and subscribe. And have a good day. Thank you. Okay, so now we have Amazon Prime. Not sure what this is. It's supposed to be a blender, or not a shredder. Okay, so this giant box is for this, and it is a cabbage shredder. So this is supposed to be our shredder, And I guess you slide it along here. Oh, yeah, so you stick the cabbage on here and you go sliding it, and it's supposed to shred it. So we'll see how that is. And here it is. So I'll have to test it out, see how it goes.